My favorite producer, I'm Dixon Beats.
Hey, lovely people. So today is a girl lady, and I'm still in Ghana. If you don't know, yeah, I'm still in Ghana. And today is a beautiful Monday morning, the 1st of February. So today, since I'm in Ghana and everybody have been talking about Ghanaian braiding, I decided to go get my Ghanaian braid in Ghana. Okay, since everybody thinks they do it their best, I'm going to do my Ghanaian braiding here, and you guys will wait for me. So today's video is going to be about me taking off my cornrow, and we're going to get our hair wash, and also going to the salon for my Ghana braid. So I know you guys want him to be in my video, even though you don't see his face, and he's here today helping me get my braid off, my cornrow off. Okay, so yes, that is what we are going to be doing today. So right from here, we look a mess right now. We're going to take our shower. It's early in the morning, so right from here we're going to take our shower, get some breakfast to eat, and go to a salon near us, Mercy, and get my hair washed. And after that, we can go to the braiding salon for my braid. I know. So you guys will see. Mercy, wait to me about. So you guys will see the style that I'm going to braid in my video. Okay. So hi guys, now we are on our way to the hair salon. Yeah, already that is him. I know you can see him. You don't want to come in the video, so yeah. So we are on our way to get my hair washed, and after that we will go to the hair braiding salon. Okay, so you guys will get to see everything. This is not what we do on a typical day. On a typical day, I'm an indoor person, and D is worse. Like, he can be indoor 24/7. Unless I worry him, let's go here, let's go here. For that, he will take you back. Him coming out of his own will to say, honey, let's go here. No. So always I'm on Google searching for places where we can go and have fun. So today, I have to drag him along to drop me, because I can't drive in Ghana. Really, I can't. Driving in Ghana is so crazy, guys. So he have been my driver since I came, since day one. So yeah, today we going to get my hair braid. Honey, let's go. So guys, we're in the market. It's a little bit noisy, but this is where we are going to get the hair, because the lady just called that she don't have the hair in stock, the kind of hair that I want in store, so I should go get it myself. So we're going to the market to get the hair, and this is the Chima main market. Okay, so guys, now we are in the market and we are going to the store. Like I said, it's very noisy because it's in the market. All together, I need separate. So guys, we're still going to the salon, even though we did not get some of the hair to buy. But my sister said I should go to the salon going so that they can start doing the washing, as you can see. Alright, so we are on our way to the hair salon. me anything about my hair, guys, sincerely, if you really know me, you know that I don't do anything to my hair. I don't even have a specific shampoo and conditioner that I use for my hair. I just go with the flow. If I feel like washing it under the shower, I'll wash it under the shower. If I feel like going to the salon for them to wash it, I do it. So guys, we are here and we are going to get our hair braided. This is where we're going, and this is Auntie Grace. She's the one going to get my hair braided. So, well, Grace, good morning. So guys, I'm done washing my hair and I'm about to get into the dryer and dry my hair. Like you can see the background, it's not really good. The lighting system, I mean, it's not really good. So this is what you're going to get. Now I'm going to put on the rollers and get into the dryer. So I'm just letting you guys know the process, okay? This is me. I'm done washing my hair and I'm in the dryer right now. So I can't wait for it to dry so I can cut them. Guys, my scalp is already hurting like so bad. See how she does it? It's so strong on it. Hey. I don't know. Ouch. Essa bebê. So guys, now we're starting our hair, okay? So I'm doing all back. I changed the style like 3 times. So my husband just came around and he said since we're going to take it off in 2 weeks time, I should try the all back. So hello guys, I'm almost done, but it's very painful. It's hurting me so bad. And she got all my edges, but there are more to go and I'm done. So I'll let you guys see the final work. Hi guys, so I'm done with my Ghanaian braids. I changed the style like 3 times. This is all black cornrow and it's so nice, so beautiful, painless. Like it's really painless. And this is how it turned out to be, very tall and nice. Yes. So see you next time. Bye.
My favorite producer, Dixon Beats.